Award-winning split design. Unlike fixed ergonomic keyboards, the Freestyle2 allows you to rotate and separate the key modules up to 9 to achieve natural hand, wrist and forearm positions for your specific body type and preferences. Standard Windows layout. The Freestyle2 for PC features a standard Windows layout with hotkeys like cut, copy, paste, multimedia keys, and an embedded numeric 10 key to boost your productivity. No software or special drivers required. Low-force key switches. The Freestyle2 uses a custom membrane key switch that features a low activation force and tactile feedback to reduce finger fatigue, impact and strain. What's in the box? Freestyle2 USB wired keyboard with a standard Windows layout, detachable pivot tether for adjustable splay, and quick start guide. Plug and play for Windows 7 to 10. Plug and play. Windows 7 to 10, Linux, and Chrome. No software or special drivers required. Top reviews from the United States. Ideal for neck pain. I bought this keyboard after 2 cervical epidurals did not end the next, shoulder and left arm pain I have from misaligned vertebra. I was pleased to see that after the initial break-in period it was most comfortable. It allows my wrists to point straight ahead, aligning with my shoulders rather than turning inward as I did on Logi Mini keyboard. Allowing arms and wrists to hang from my shoulders and point straight ahead relieves pain in my left forearm, shoulder and upper back. Now that we're slowly moving back into the office, I am going to order one from Workdesk as well. It is a little cumbersome to travel back and forth with the 2 pieces.